Test hot water before unpacking to avoid surprises and ensure comfort from day one when moving into a new home. Start by running the kitchen and bathroom taps and then a shower for several minutes each to confirm consistent hot output and pressure. Listen for unusual noises and note whether hot water arrives immediately or after a delay, which can indicate tank size or distance from the heater. Check the water heater's power source. For gas units, confirm the pilot light is on and the thermostat is set to a safe temperature, typically 120 degrees Fahrenheit, spoken as 120 degrees. And for electric units, verify the breaker has not tripped and that the unit is receiving power. Inspect visible plumbing and the heater for leaks, rust, or corrosion around valves, fittings, and the tank base. Photograph any concerns for documentation and future service calls. If water smells metallic or shows brown sediment during the initial run, plan to flush the tank using the drain valve to remove buildup following the manufacturer instructions and wear eye protection when opening the valve. Locate and record the water heater model, serial number, purchase date, and any remaining warranty or service agreement so you can quickly contact support if problems arise. Finally, test several fixtures across the house to detect isolated supply issues versus a heater problem, and set a note to recheck after the first week of normal use to catch slow leaks or pressure changes. Common problems include no hot water at all, which often means a tripped breaker, a cold gas pilot, or a disconnected supply line. Restore power or relight the pilot following the heater instructions, and call a licensed technician if you are uncomfortable. Low hot water volume or rapid depletion usually points to undersized capacity, high demand, or a faulty thermostat. Stagger hot water usage, reduce temperature slightly, and schedule a professional inspection to test the thermostat and tank health. Foul odors or discolored water typically mean sediment, bacterial growth, or corrosion. Flush the tank, clean fixtures, and if smells persist, arrange for a tank treatment or replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work related to plumbing and heater services, making it easier to arrange repairs or inspections after a move. We also host a discussion community where our members share real experiences, practical tips, and contractor recommendations to help you make informed decisions.